Danny, valid or invalid? 111 should not be divisible by 37.
Valid. I think that's strange. I think that's confusing. I think it's borderline inappropriate. Those guys have nothing in common. They shouldn't be doing division together. You know what? 111 should be divisible by 11. I think that equation should work. I know it doesn't. I think that's a ridiculous call by the number refs. But 111 divided by 37 grosses me out, frankly, so I'm gonna go valid on that one.
Pluto getting kicked out of the Planet League is downright cruel.
I'm gonna go invalid, man, and I'm tired of Pluto whining about it. I really am, man. Look, Pluto, you're too small, right? If we included you, we'd have to include hundreds of other planets. That's just scientifically what's going on. Pluto keeps tweeting about it. He's bitching at the refs. He's saying I should be a planet. I got the short end of the stick. Pluto, work on your game. Work on your left hand. Work on your size. Maybe bulk a little bit. You can become a planet. I don't think the story has to be over for Pluto. I think Pluto could keep working. He can improve on his game. I think he could become a planet again, maybe.
A sneeze going away is a top 5 worst feeling.
Valid, man. It's devastating, right? It's heartbreaking. You feel that sneeze coming on. You're excited for that moment, and then it's gone, and you can't go find it again. It's gone for good, right? There's really nothing you can do. So you know it hurts, man. It's a really tough feeling. It's something I would never even wish upon my worst enemy, man. So I'm gonna go valid on that one. Thank you.